Be careful when playing peekaboo with dogs because they can startle you back.
What do you have? Bocce! Is that a knife? No! Give me that!
Maybe he hid a steak somewhere but didn't have a knife to cut it. This is you asking your mom's permission to go out with friends. This customer care staff cannot give advice, but will listen to all your problems. Just one more hand and that's it. We have a whole family. This brave dog will become an excellent lifeguard in the future. Only the big brother can handle this noisy kid.
Okay, this dog, it's not...
This dog should be featured in the movie Fast and Furious.
Oh, is it? Oh my God!
What are you doing?
Come on, man, it's not a hat.
Come here.
Oh, yes. Oh, get off my cord. Do you miss Mama? Do you miss... Oh, no!
The best way to avoid guilt is to make yourself a victim.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're gonna pretend to be hurt? Oh!
One of the most important missions of dogs is to wake up their owners in the morning. They won't leave until you get up. Even if he bites off the faucet, he still has to take a shower.
Lucky. Lucky. Lucky.
When you stubbornly give them your heart, and even though they refuse, and then they break it. This dog is acting so dramatic. No one will abandon this boy. He just needs to remember where the door is to enter the house.
Mother!
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Dogs often do cute things like this when around people they like. Even if it's just an ice cube, don't expect to get rid of this dog.
Aw, you guys look so comfy.
Body size is not as important as soul, age, and love. This guy with a friendly smile has an unfriendly dog. The dryer doesn't spit out your food, man. Sometimes the romantic love of dogs can also make humans jealous. Do you think that when dogs are with humans for a long time, they learn to act like the ones they love? Leave a comment. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We go so far to find joy, but we don't know that joy is right there with you. Like this dog can make you laugh all day with his problem solving.
Come on. Come on.
Looks like this dog is too eager to be a bride.
Okay. Huh?
This boy has practiced well the admonition, all mistakes are forgiven if you are self-conscious. When your mother is the one who understands you best. Give your pet a challenge and they will prove their problem-solving skills very well.
Move your arm, and then I'll put it on full screen for you. And I'll cancel out the ad for you. And now you have to not
The reason that you should not expose your child to technology too early.
stay there. You see the duckies? Stop!
Your home's always safe when the bodyguards are so careful. Establishing a habit of getting up early isn't difficult when you have a bestie who is always concerned about health.
Give me the blanket.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knee, ace.
When you just broke up with your lover but your best friend sings love songs every day.
You're acting very ugly. Grandma is not happy.
Don't worry about getting fat when you have a rich imagination like him.
Right in front of the door.
The saying children's joy is simple is proven in this video.
Oh, yeah, he's a good boy.
This is the reason you can't find a winner between two dogs is this.
Huh?
Look at Mama. Look at Mom.
Every child has the mindset that everybody wants to be the only one of their parents.
Oh, he's so bad.
He doesn't even want me to touch.
If you want to film me, remember to add filters. Must be what he meant. Whoever you are, you still have to look cool in every moment.